Welcome to the world's most adorable pizzeria. Today, we're witnessing a true culinary master in action. Meet our very own Chef Tabby, with a sharp eye for detail and a tiny white hat perched just right. This little chef is ready to create a masterpiece. First up, the dough. It takes precision, skill, and, oh, it seems the dough has a bit of a mind of its own today. No worries, a little dough on the face won't stop us. Now for the secret sauce, applied with a unique artistic flair. Next comes the cheese and pepperoni. Look at those toppings fly. It's absolute chaos, but that's the secret ingredient. It's a flurry of flavor and fur. Now, into the glowing stone oven for the final transformation. The magic is about to happen. The crackle of the fire and the scent of melting cheese are simply irresistible. Just a few more seconds of waiting, little chef success. A golden-crusted pizza fit for a king. Chef Tabby does it again. Bon appétit, or as we say in the kitchen,